In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own dash system. And before we begin, I'm going to show you the result so you know what to expect. First things first, when you press E, you dash, covering a short amount of distance. And second, when you type in chat, it doesn't allow you to dash. E is the keybind, as you can see. It doesn't let me dash. When I exit chat, it let me dash. Great. Now that you see the final result, let's get right to it. Great, let's begin. From here, we're going to go to starter player scripts, and insert a local script. From here, we're going to define the player. Local player equals game, get servers, players dot local player, get the character equals player, character added, wait, get the user input service, I like to say UIS for short, equals game, get service, user input service. We're going to have a debounce, local db equals false, and a wait time. Local wait time equals 0.2. From here, we're going to do user input service dot input began, connect function input and GP. Okay, from here we're going to do if not GP and input dot keycode equals enum dot keycode dot e and db equals false. Then we're going to have a body velocity, so we're going to do local bv equals instance dot new body velocity and put it inside the character's primary part. Next, we're going to do body velocity dot p, which is its force, equals 1250. It's always going to be at that number by default. Body velocity dot max force equals vector3 dot new math dot huge and math dot huge on all axes. So it applies all the forces on all the axes. From here, we're going to do body velocity dot velocity equals character dot primary part dot c frame dot look vector. We're going to times that by 75. Now we're going to delete the body velocity after a certain amount of time. By doing that, we're going to do game dot debris add item. We're going to put bv and then comma wait time. From there, we're going to wait, so task dot wait time, and the debounce equals false. Great, now it should work. Let's test it out. I will go ahead and press E. It does the dash. And if you're wondering what game process was, that's actually checking if the player is in chat. So if we go ahead and try to type in chat, let's try to type E. As you can see, it doesn't make my character dash. This works for R6 and R15 and is very customizable. Thank you for watching.